Have you ever been in the situation where you know you have gotten a DM on Twitter about something specific, but you can't remember who sent it? Well, today I will talk about how you can solve that problem now by using Twitter's new search in DMs. But I will also talk about a couple of other new things for Twitter. Hejsan hej, I am PixelPia, and we're gonna start by looking at my Twitter account and how you can search your DMs. We're gonna take a look here at messages. And let's say I know I got a message about a movie night and I don't remember who it was from. All I have to do is to go over here to messages, and at the top we have a search bar. So I write movie, and here came all the messages I have about movies. And you see it goes as far back as to 2020. The second thing I want to talk about today is professional profiles and professional accounts. And this is on their business side, where they explain the advantage about a professional profile. It says Twitter's professional profiles allow you to display specific information about your brand or business directly on your profile. Professional profile features professional categories and professional profile spotlights. So why am I talking about this today? This is now open for everybody. I have already set this up on this account, but I will show you on my second account how you can set it up. I go to my profile, I go to edit profile, and I scroll down to the bottom where it says switch to professional. You have to agree to the professional accounts policy, and I suggest that you read that, and then you have to select a category from the ones here. And now you see I am a business or I am a creator, and click next. So then you can go in here and customize your profile. We are going to look at something that they have started to test. Twitter's working on collaborative tweets to facilitate new opportunities for creators. Would it be beneficial to be able to partner with other users on a tweet? So this is something they just have started testing out. As it says down here, it is still early testing, and Twitter says that it doesn't have anything more to share at this stage. This is the second video I done in a very short time about news on Twitter. I think it's really interesting to try and follow along what is going on, specifically on Twitter, but also on the other social media. If you like this video and want to see more about Twitter or about other news from other social media platforms, please leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up and maybe a subscribe. Until next time, hej då!